Before hope takes root, there is often only barren land and a single act of faith. In the year 2000, Major S. Nanjundaya and his family saw that arid ground and chose to plant a seed of compassion, a seed of change. That seed blossomed into Ashraya Hastha Trust. For 25 years, they have nurtured the dreams of communities across India. This is their story, a story of unwavering commitment to dignity, coexistence, and well-being. A story of planting hope, one seed at a time. Ashraya Hastha Trust, a philanthropic foundation, supports grassroots organizations to create meaningful, long-term impact across health, education, livelihoods, animal welfare, and climate action. Join us as we reflect on some of the most powerful moments that have shaped our journey. Ashraya Hastha Trust's long-standing support for Basarikatte School began in 2002 with the construction of 2 nursery classrooms and play equipment. Continuing this journey in 2024, AHT helped establish a fully equipped computer lab with furniture, bridging the digital divide and opening up new learning opportunities for children in the remote Malnad region. Bridging the rural-urban education gap, equipping young minds with the resources and skills they need for a bright future. Investing in education is investing in the future. Be it through education or healthcare, the goal remains the same: to ensure every child grows up with hope in their hearts and a smile on their face. A cleft lip, a palate difference, a barrier to a child's inherent joy. A smile of hope, in partnership with Smile Train, is rewriting these stories. Beyond the surgical intervention, it is the early detection, continuous healthcare, and spreading the knowledge that empowers communities. Transforming struggle into hope, hesitation into confidence, and dreams into reality. A simple act of surgery, a lifetime of positive change.
For last 18 years, we have operated more than 10,000 children born with this defect. And not only the surgeries, but in our unit, the other care for these children is also available, like a speech therapy for these kids and orthodontic treatment as well. And we are very grateful to AST for supporting our this charity program through Smile Train.
At Ashraya Hastha Trust, we believe every species deserves a chance to thrive. From grassland conservation that safeguards habitats for wildlife to animal welfare initiatives that provide care and protection, our mission is rooted in respect, integrity, and sustainability. We uplift every life we touch, choosing kindness over harm, ethics over exploitation, and fairness over neglect, ensuring a future where biodiversity flourishes and all beings coexist in harmony. From the playful monkeys at the Primate Rescue and Rehabilitation Center to the vulnerable newborns in our neonatal unit for kittens and puppies and the majestic leopards, we support a diverse range of species. Each animal, unique and extraordinary, deserves our care, respect, and protection. Cats and dogs, often forgotten victims of human neglect, receive love, medical care, and training at our rescue centers. We work tirelessly to ensure each animal finds a loving home. Whether it's the social and intelligent hyenas or the gentle and nimble deer, every animal deserves our support. Together, we can make a difference in their lives, ensuring a brighter future for all. Join us in our mission to protect and preserve the beautiful diversity of life on our planet. Together, we can create a world where every creature has a chance to thrive.
We are really proud to say that with Ashraya Hastha, not only with the neonatal center, we have also been supported with critical care medicines, animal birth control surgeries, as well as a few admin expenses. So it's been a very fruitful and very meaningful relationship, which we hope will go forward in the coming years.
In Belur Taluk, Karnataka, and the challenging terrains of Munshiyari, Uttarakhand, the Niman's Naman program, supported by Ashraya Hastha Trust, is transforming mental health care, addressing well-being from womb to tomb. It trains communities and reduces stigma, ensuring people can seek care without fear, no matter how remote their location. This isn't just treatment, it's integration. It's building resilience from within, fostering a society where mental health is not a burden but a shared responsibility. While resilience begins within, safety must surround it, especially for those whose very homes become places of fear. Amidst Karnataka's public health system, hospitals play a vital role in addressing a silent epidemic: violence against women and girls. At the heart of this effort is Mukta, a hospital-based intervention program providing hope, support, and a path to safety. Project Mukta, led by Ashraya Hastha Trust in collaboration with the National Health Mission, is revolutionizing healthcare's response to survivors of domestic violence. By placing dedicated counselors within hospitals, Mukta ensures immediate, compassionate, and essential first-line support. The Mukta Crisis Intervention Centers offer a safe haven. Here, survivors find emotional support, guidance through complex medical and medico-legal procedures, pathways to police support, and referrals to vital legal aid and safe shelter. Liaising with police, shelter homes, and child welfare committees, Mukta weaves a safety net of comprehensive support. Mukta is not just about reacting to crisis, it's about prevention. Through OPD and IPD visits, counselors raise awareness, empowering women to seek help and break the cycle of violence. Mukta is creating a future where every woman in Karnataka can live a life free from fear. In the vibrant city of Indore, Madhya Pradesh, Ashraya Hastha Trust, through Saman Society, is breaking barriers and challenging norms. By supporting women's livelihoods as mechanics, electricians, and drivers, this initiative empowers women from marginalized communities, creating diverse pathways to economic independence. This is just one of the many programs across the country, reflecting AHT's deep and widespread commitment to transformative change, equipping them with the skills and confidence to thrive in non-traditional fields, a testament to the belief that gender equality is not just a social ideal, but an economic imperative. Empowerment fuels change, but without water, that change cannot flow. In the heart of Karnataka, a new fight begins to reclaim every precious drop. Bangalore's water crisis, worsened by climate change, has left 5,000 borewells dry, schools struggling, and wildlife at risk. As rising temperatures and erratic rainfall worsen the crisis, surface water is depleting, affecting 2 million people. Urgent action is needed to restore balance and resilience. But there is hope. Myrada is restoring vital water resources, ensuring a sustainable future. Water is essential for life, and we are grateful for their unwavering efforts. This project will harvest 10 billion liters of water annually, bringing clean water to schools, animals, and communities. By ensuring year-round access, It improves health and promotes biodiversity. My Radha's work goes beyond the crisis. It's about securing a future where water is abundant, communities thrive, and nature flourishes. Beyond funding, Ashraya Hastha Trust takes direct action where it matters most, implementing solutions in environmental protection and health equity, especially for women and youth. For young women in rural Karnataka, education is a pathway to a brighter future. But a silent barrier often stands in their way: menstrual hygiene. In many government schools, proper disposal of sanitary waste is severely lacking. Incinerators, often the only solution, pose environmental and health risks. Ashraya Hastha Trust recognized this critical need and launched Project Nirmal, an ambitious initiative to transform menstrual hygiene and promote sustainability. Working under the Rashtriya Kishor Swasthya Karyakram and the Suchi initiative, Project Nirmal aimed to bring change to over 104 schools, but implementing sustainable solutions required innovation. The answer? A groundbreaking partnership with PADK Labs, introducing an eco-friendly recycling process using cutting-edge 5D technology. Project Nirmal is not just about waste management. It's about empowering young women, fostering a healthier environment, and building a sustainable future. A small step, but a giant leap towards a brighter tomorrow for the girls of Karnataka. For 25 years, Ashraya Hastha Trust has been more than just a foundation. It's been a guiding hand, a co-creator of change. We don't simply support projects. We invest in people, in animals, in the very earth that sustains us. We walk alongside our partners, ensuring lasting impact and sustainable progress, because we believe every living being deserves the chance to thrive. This is more than just a story of the past. It's a roadmap for the future, a commitment to continue working hand in hand with communities to address the challenges of tomorrow with a focus on quality, sustainability, and long-term impact. At Ashraya Hastha Trust, we understand that true change requires more than just funding. It requires heart. We go beyond proposed plans, enhancing them with our expertise and unwavering dedication. We bring value to every project by ensuring it's not just a donation, but a lasting investment in a brighter future. We focus on empowering communities, providing them with the tools and knowledge to become self-sufficient. It's not just about doing for them, it's about doing with them. Ashraya Hastha Trust's true gift to India goes beyond healthcare, education, and environmental protection. It instills a deep sense of compassion, responsibility, and purpose, inspiring collective action to build a more inclusive and sustainable future where no one is left behind. Every act of kindness creates ripples that transcend boundaries, shaping a future of endless possibilities. Ashraya Hastha Trust's legacy is one of compassion, responsibility, and the unwavering belief that every living being deserves the opportunity to thrive. Even the smallest gesture can spark lasting change. 25 years of impact, 25 years of change, 25 years of making a difference. One life, one project, one step at a time, and the journey continues.
Ashraya Hastha Trust's commitment to children and healthcare has created thousands of brighter smiles. Congratulations.
ನಮಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ ಕೊಡೋರು ಬೇಕು, ಅದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಅದನ್ನು ದಿನೇಶ್ ಅವರು ಹಿಂದೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ಬಂದು ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ.
Mental health is a right, not a privilege. The Ashraya Hastha Trust's unwavering support is helping break barriers and building a healthier society.
When good people become rich, money gets used for good causes. This belief of mine is constantly reinforced by the activities of Asha and Dinesh, the millionaire couple who created Ashraya Hastha and saved thousands of lives. Thank you so much.
Be the change you want to see in others. So our Ashraya Hastha's motto has been to set the examples that are important for us to make sure that others can easily follow them.
A few years back, we have been doing projects regarding environmental changes, climate change, renewable energy, animal welfare, etc., and we have improved upon the vision and what we could do more to the society.
In the future, I see for Ashraya Hastha Trust is that our team grows larger. We are able to do a lot more projects. We have donated over 111 crores, and my wish, or I would like Ashraya Hastha to do at least 10 times of this in the next 10 years.